Hello guys, to the new video series DaVinci Tips. In this lesson I will teach you how do you add the contrast like a Netflix series. It's very easy to make this in DaVinci Resolve because you don't need to install the plugin and other tool that you have any professional tool in DaVinci Resolve native. It's very easy to add this. I will create a new node. In Windows I will use to shortcut Alt S, and I will transform the node in node layer. In Windows I will use Alt L. After make this, you use the tool RGB mixer. This tool is very perfect to add this contrast because you have the separator, the three channels, red, green and blue. You click in monochrome and I will change the red, green and blue like you want to make the new contrast and more realistic and less destructive in your image. You need to see in your image and identify what you need to change, or red, or green, or blue, to affect the new areas, how the shadows, midtones, or highlights. Identify in your image what you add to more contrast and make this change in one of these three channels that you can change and add more contrast. After make this adjustment, we'll click in this node, right button, go to composite mode and go to overlay. He add more contrast, this more deep, and this time in my image to shadow area because I don't have a strange light in my model. In my image have more areas of shadow, and at this time this tool is to work with it. But we can fix this problem to have more contrast in shadows areas. It's very easy to correct this, to fix it. You click select your node that you change the RGB mixer, then to apply this tool, you go to key tool and go to key output. I select 0.3, clicking to enter and make this change. You can make this change, selecting and rolling to right to add more contrast. You only change in this tool the opacity of your node, to right more opacity, to left less opacity, and now you can add what you want. And you can see it's very easy to add the contrast like a Netflix series and make it more realistic in your image and more professional in your visuals. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel to receive more videos and like your button if you like this video too. I see you the next time. Bye bye.